Welcome to Freshman Orientation. In this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and show you how to log into the computers on campus, log into Access NJC, and log into D2L. When you first get to a computer on campus, you'll see this login screen right here. The first box is going to be the username section, and the second box is the password section. In the username section, you'll go ahead and enter your S number. In the password section, if this is your first time logging into a computer, it'll be the default student password. The default student password is student with a capital S, 2-digit birth month, 2-digit birthday, and 4-digit birth year. So to reiterate that, it's student with a capital S and then your birth date. After entering that for your password, it'll go ahead and ask you to reset your password. This password has to be 14 characters long with an uppercase, lowercase, number, and or special character. This password cannot have your name or your S number within it. After getting logged into the computer, please open either Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. Any of these web browsers will open you to Northeastern Junior College's website. Once on the website, go ahead and click Access NJC in the upper right hand corner. From here, we'll be prompted to sign in. In the S number section, go ahead and enter your S number. And then for the password section, this will be the same password you just used or just reset to log into the computers. We'll go ahead and click sign in. Once signed in, Access NJC's dashboard will appear. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on getting everyone signed in to D2L. So we'll go ahead and click Course Access, which will reiterate that again. Course Access is in the Student Tools section on the dashboard. After clicking Course Access, a new window will appear. In the top section, go ahead and click Log into NJC Desire2Learn classes here. This link will take you to D2L. After getting logged into Desire2Learn, you'll see the dashboard. The dashboard will have My Courses and announcements on the right-hand side. In the My Courses section, all your classes that you have registered for or have access to will appear. On the right-hand side, you'll see a Monahan Learning Center information announcement. From here, if you scroll down, you can see all the other announcements posted in D2L. You will also get an option to sign into Office 365. Let's go ahead and click in one of our classes. Course Shell, you'll see we have an announcements section, a content browser section, and a calendar section. In the announcements section, your instructor will post important information for the students. The content browser will go ahead and have a quick preview of all the information and resources you can access. And in the calendar section, this will sync up with events within the class. Alright, let's go ahead and access content first. So in content, this is where all your class resources will be held. Your link to your ebook or any academic plans or syllabus can all be found in here. To cover the toolbar at the top, we're going to go ahead and start in Activities. Activities contains assignments, quizzes, discussions, and rubrics. In the assignment section, you'll be able to see all the assignments that you have to do and how many points they're out of. So if we click on, for example, Academic Plan, this will give you an information or instructions on what the assignment is for. It'll ask you can add a file, record audio, or record a video and submit files that way. You can even add comments to your submission. In the quiz section, you'll see the quiz list. This has all the current quizzes and past quizzes that you have either taken or have not taken. From here, you can access your quiz and take the quiz you need to take. In the discussion section, you'll see discussions that your instructor has posted for you to complete. From here, you can start a new thread with the topic at hand. In the Progress section in the toolbar, we'll go ahead and go to Grades. Here in the Grades section, you'll see all your Future and past assignments. On the right-hand side, it'll show you your overall grade percentage. On the left-hand side, you'll see your assignment and how many points it's out of. This is a quick tutorial on how to log into the computers at NJC, how to log into Access NJC, and how to log into Desire2Learn. If you have any questions, please ask your instructors and they can help inform you on what to do. Or you can give me a call at 970-521-6902 for any D2L help. If you are having any issues accessing the computers or logging into Access NJC, please call the NJC IT Help Desk at 970-521-6805. Thank you.